How to fix Snapchat support code SS06. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Snapchat support code SS06. So to fix that, first, the reason that this occurs is due to temporary ban due to you violating some community code. So in that case, what you can do is wait for 24 to 48 hours. So before using your Snapchat, wait for 48 hours till 48 hours, and as it indicates suspicious activity, you can try switching off your internet connection. So simply swipe down from top right, turn off your Wi-Fi, and you can just keep it that way for some time. After you've done that, you can then again connect to your Wi-Fi after 48 hours and try to log in into your account. And that's one thing that you can do. If the issue persists, you can update your Snapchat app. Go to your app store, search for Snapchat from here, and update the app if you see an update available. So if there's an update available, update the app, and after you've updated your app, you can try to clear out the app's cache as well. Now for iPhone, if you want to clear out cache from your Snapchat, go to your settings, go to general, go to your iPhone storage, and simply search for Snapchat from here. So let me just scroll down. There we go. There's Snapchat. Tap on offload app and offload the app. After you've offloaded the app, you can reinstall the app and your cache will have been cleared. And yeah, that way you can then log in into your account and then your problem should be fixed. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.